Alright, this is a demonstration of how to get a smart car onto an Aluma MC2F trailer. I haven't seen a video of this yet. I'm going to use the trailer as a tilt trailer because I removed the pin here underneath so that the trailer can come up as if it was going to be folded up, and that will create the tilt that I need to get the smart car up using only one ramp, because it only comes with one ramp. And I've got a little helper ramp, and this is the single ramp will be enough with the weight of the car to bring the trailer down to tilt mode and get the car up onto the trailer, and then it'll tilt back once we get past the fulcrum point. Alright, here we go.